Here's the rest of the plants. Still under the lights inside. The tomatoes over here on the end are looking a lot better. Onions are growing good. Carrots are good. And everything seems to be going well. Starting to get our second set of leaves on our squash. Check on them tomorrow. Let's see, we got another windy day here. The groundhog was just out here, but he has eluded us once again. We'll keep trying. Walk over here and take a look at the plants today. I kept them in the cart, trying to shade them from the wind. As much as possible. So I put them out here as soon as the sun came out this morning, and we're about to lose the sun right here, but they're doing pretty good. I repositioned them a couple times, trying to get them out of the gusty wind. Corn stalks, a couple of those had laid over pretty good, so I'm hoping they'll be okay. Stocky cucumbers look pretty good, and broccoli, I don't know, I guess it's still alive. And the onions look pretty good. So don't have much of an update today. Too windy to do much of anything else. So just a short update. Didn't have any eggs this morning. Take a look and see. Oop, one egg. I'll send the kids back out here to get them. Thank you, Sue. Thank you, Joey.